I will unlist that and see how it is coming today. Yeah, let us start. Law of refraction. Law of refraction of light. Now, tell me what is the law of reflection of light first. Who's going to say Abhishek?
I will tell, ma'am. I will tell, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, this is reflection of light. Very good. That's correct. Now, law of refraction is also same. There are two laws of refraction. The one is incident ray, refracted ray, normal, all lie in the same plane. All lie in the same plane. Same. First one is same. Okay. Second one, the relation between the incident, angle of incident and angle of refraction. So what is the relation? Sine value. Sine I. Now good, we have done trigonometry so that it's easy. Sine I by sine R should be constant. So the law of refraction says that the sine value somebody is coming. The late they will come. Sin I, that is the sine value of angle of incidence, the ratio of the sine value of angle of incident to the ratio that is the angle of refraction is constant to the given pair of media. That is called, this constant value is called refractive index. What is this constant value is called?
Refraction index.
Refractive index.
Usually in other classes you will learn mu, but here it is given as n. Okay, n is given, symbol small letter n is given. Actually, when you go to the higher studies, they will say refractive index will be written in a form of mu. Like this is mu, like alpha, beta, gamma. We use symbol mu. Okay, now what are the two laws of reflection? Incident ray, refracted ray, normal. All at the point of incident, all lie in the same plane. First point. Second point. What is the second point? The ratio of the sine, SINE, sine of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for the given pair of media. Media. Why I tell media?
There are two
It is
mediums.
yes, plural. Medium means a plural form of medium. Okay. For example, let me go to the example. Okay. Now, suppose the angle of incident is 30 degree. Angle of incident is 30 degree. Angle of refraction is 60 degree. Okay. Now, what is the refractive index? Tell me. Who is going to tell?
Sin 30 by sin 60.
Very good. Sine 30 by sine 60. What is sine 30?
Half.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. What is sine 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Root
2 by 2.
So when you do 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, it's get cancelled. So what is the answer?
1 by root 3.
Okay, 1.7. Suppose you keep 1.7 into 10 into 10. So you get 10 by 17. 10 by 17. So 10 by 17 is some 0 point value. 10 by 17, 0.7. So this problems are very, very important. Okay. Now, let me go to the, now one more. Let me go to the one more sum. Listen carefully, write down in your scribbling pad. Mute. Who's that? Mute yourself. Who's not muting? I told you if you don't mute, no children, it will disturb the others. Now, problem one, very, very important. All the problem which I'm going to teach you, you should do it in the classwork on your own. You can rewind the recording section and you can learn. Okay, now, but you write down the question. Now you try. A beam, along with me, you try. A beam of light passes from, are you writing the question? A beam of light passes from air into a substance X. A beam of light passes from air into substance X. Suppose some substance is X. A beam of light enter from air to substance. Okay. The angle of incident is 72 degree. The angle of incident is 72 degree. The angle of refraction is 40. Calculate the refractive index of the substance X. Calculate the refractive index N. Refractive index of the substance X. Now, How will you calculate? What is the unit of refractive index now? Tell me. What could be the unit of refractive index? In physics, unit is very, very important, right?
N.
Vamsi.
That mu or something.
Mu is a unit. Mu is a symbol, ma.
Yes,
Mu is a symbol. Symbol is different from unit. Unit is unit only. Degree, no, ma. See, now think. Now, how to do this sum? Unit, no unit only because it get cancelled, no, ma. No unit for refractive index, okay? Now, refractive index is equal to sin I by sin R. Refractive index equal to sin I by sin R. What is sin I? Sin 72. Sin 72 divided by sin 40. When you go to PUC, they will tell you how to find out sin value. But in this question, it will be given in the bracket. It will be given in the bracket. 72 degree is sin 72 degree is. It will be given in the bracket. Sin 72 degree is 0.951. Okay. Sin 40 is equal to 0.642. They'll give off. Okay. Don't worry. They'll give. Okay. Standard value means you know, but not standard values we don't know. They'll give the values.
Ma'am.
Just substitute.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ashit is asking you to let him in, ma'am.
See, Mahu late is coming. Tell him to come early. Jeevita, why don't you come early? Where is Harshita? Harshit?
Not Harshita.
Ma'am, it's not me, ma'am.
Where is?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell him to again try. Tell him to try again.
Ma'am, he came, ma'am.
I already came in.
Okay. Now sin 72, sin 40 just substitute. It will be given in your question only. 0.952 divided by 0.642. What you should do? You should multiply 1000 and 1000. Take the decimal out. So 952 divided by 642, you should divide, children. Okay. If it is given no in the question, what you will do? And you should sit and divide because it should not take the whole time by dividing and all wasting. Okay. So when you complete everything at the end, you have to write the refractive index. You should divide and write. Okay. Now I will give you the answer. This is the refractive index of the substance X. Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing. This refractive index, one more formula is there. That means the refractive index depends upon the speed of the light.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Refractive index depends upon the speed of the light. Like how we will write, listen carefully. Refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium. We should write like this. See, can you see this? Refractive index of the second medium to first medium. In some book, it will be written 2:1. That means second medium with respect to 1. You should not read as 21. How will you read? Refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. Okay. Now, this refractive index is inversely proportional to the speed of the light. So, speed of the light, this is another formula. The speed of the light, this is another formula. Speed of the light in medium 2 divided by speed of the light in medium 1. Okay. So, this is a formula. So, sin I by sin R is also equal to speed of the light in medium 2 divided by speed of the light in medium 1. Okay. You can also write like this. N is equal to 2. Medium, this is you have to read like this. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 you should read.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Hello?
We can hear you.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
We can
Yes,
hear you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can hear you, ma'am.
Now listen carefully. Refractive index, no ma. Refractive index is inversely proportional to speed of the light. The example is diamond. See the diamond. In diamond, the refractive index is the highest. What do you mean by that? In diamond, how will diamond to draw? I don't know. In diamond, refractive index is highest. What is the meaning? What is the meaning?
The velocity of light in the
Diamond is
lowest.
faster.
Faster.
Lowest.
Is the lowest.
Lowest. Ma'am.
Yes, correct. Very good. So that question is there. That question is the problem. That is a problem 2. Okay. So the question that is there in the NCERT book also, you can check the NCERT book and write the question. Problem number 2. That is refractive index of diamond is refractive index of diamond is 2.42 highest. Why it is highest? Because it is optically very much dense. Okay, so what is the meaning? Question is, what is the meaning? The meaning of this is the speed of the light is minimum. The meaning is this: what? The speed of the light is minimum because it is inversely proportional. See here, speed of the light will come here. Speed of the light in diamond will come in denominator. This will come in numerator. So this is inversely proportional, right? When the denominator is increasing, the whole value will decrease. The denominator is decreasing, the whole value is increasing. So refractive index of diamond with respect to air. So you get in the medium, the speed of the light in we made mistake here. Sorry, children. The speed of the light in medium 1 divided by medium 2. The speed of the light in medium 1 only is divided by medium 2. Medium 2 will come in the denominator, children. This is the speed of the light in medium 1 divided by medium 2. The speed of the light in medium 2 will come in denominator. Okay. So the refractive index of diamond means that speed will come in denominator. Okay. So listen carefully. It is inversely proportional. That is why it is given like this. So speed of the light in diamond is down. The speed of the light in air is top. Speed of the light is air in top. So this shows that, what will you write? This shows that the speed of the light is minimum in diamond because diamond is optically denser. You should write that answer like that. What is the meaning? What you will write? The refractive index is inversely proportional to the speed of the light in diamond. That shows that the diamond is more denser. The density of the diamond is more. Okay, like that you should write. That's all. Now, problem, we will go to next problem. Okay, that is, write the question. The speed, the question is, usually the speed of the vacuum and air will be, usually, Rama, speed of the vacuum. Speed of the vacuum. Vacuum means what, children? Speed of light in vacuum.
Nothing.
Empty.
Vacuum means what?
Where there is no air.
Where there is no air.
Matter.
Where will you find the vacuum? Space. In space, there is no air. Atmosphere is only around, like a ozone layer we have. Okay. To some extent only we will have this air. Afterwards, no air only. So that is speed of the light. So 2.9979 into 10 to the power of 8. It's given in the book. No need to mug up all these values. Okay, just to understand. The speed of the light in vacuum is 2.9979 into 10 to the power of 8. The speed of the air. Speed of the light in the air. Suppose some air is there. Okay. That will also be 2.9970. See, so small difference is there. So small difference. So what is that? Negligible. So instead of vacuum, we can write air. Instead of air, we can write vacuum. So approximately they write 3 into 10 to the power of 8. What is 3 into 10 to the power of 8?
Speed of light in air.
Very good. Speed of the light in vacuum or air. Speed of the light in vacuum or air. We can write approximately 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Now, the problem number 3. Problem 3 or 2? 3. Problem number 3. Now you check. It's an easy problem compared to our trigonometry problems and quadratic equation problems. These are jujube. Very easy. Okay. Just like that we can complete and throw it. See how it is. Now the speed of the question is find the refractive index of the glass. My question is find refractive index of the glass. Refractive index of the glass. If speed of the light, if the speed of the light in air is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, the speed of the light in glass, inside the glass, the speed will be 2 into 10 to the power of 8. See how easy. Now how to do? Who is going to say? Dania?
No.
First, what is my first sentence?
Formula.
So many
Speed
answers
of
in the
light.
class.
I'm here, ma'am. Speed
There is-
of
So many are there, ma. Okay, refractive
writing.
refractive index.
Refractive index is equal to speed of light of first medium divided by speed of the light of second medium.
Now, refractive index of glass with respect to air, you should write like this. See how I'm writing in the board? So here it will come correct. What you are saying is correct. Speed of light in this glass, speed of light in first medium, air.
Glass
Speed of light in air, first medium,
is
divided by
divided
speed
by.
of the light in second medium,
Yes, ma'am.
glass. Like this you should write. Okay. So if you want VA, somebody mute V glass. Okay. So what will happen now? Now you have to substitute.
3 into 10 to the power of 8.
Correct.
2 into 10 to the power of
8 only.
8.
Now, so what is my answer? Get cancel this and all. So
3
3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but
1.5.
1.5.
oh, so simple. See, so simple problem. No, like this only it will come. Okay. In refractive index, sums are very, very, very simple. Okay. Now, sometime they will not give this in this three values. Any one they will not give. You need to find out. See, next problem we'll do that. Next problem number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Light enters from air into glass. Light enters from air into glass having refractive index. They are given the refractive index. Having refractive index is 1.50. Okay. What is the speed of the light? What is the speed of the light in glass? What is the speed of the light in glass? How you got it?
Same
you got
formula
the
we have to use and we have to.
Substitute, ma'am.
Tell the formula. First, I want steps.
Index.
You are all good in mathematics. Means steps are important. Don't simply write like physics. Simply you write answer. Maybe chemistry teacher
Speed
biology
of
teacher will
light in
correct.
first medium.
Substitute and multiply.
You have to write
Speed of light
Refractive
in
index of
multiply.
glass with respect
glass with
to
respect to air.
Respected to air.
air.
is
then
equal to speed of light in
okay, speed of the light velocity I wrote. The speed of the light in
air.
Air.
In air divided by speed of the light in glass.
speed of the light in air divided by
Speed of light
The light in glass.
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 Plus.
I want every step, children. Simply one answer, don't write, okay? Speed of the light in air, we all know. 3 into 10 to the power of
Substitute,
8 meter per second. What is speed of the light in glass? X. We don't
X.
know. What is this value?
1.50, ma'am.
1.50. Okay, cross multiply. Or replace. Instead of X, you replace this. Whenever this comes like this, just replacing it. 10 to the power of 8 divided by 1.50. So what happened?
We write 1.5 as
3 and
1.
1.5, 2 times it will go, no? Okay, leave this and multiply by 10, leave this 10.8. So you get 30 by 15, you will get. Okay, so what will happen? That will become 2 times. So Abhishek told correctly. 2 into 10 to the power of 8.
2 into 10 to the power 8.
Abhishek, is it correct? No.
Yes, correct, ma'am.
Meter per second. Good. I wanted that. Okay. Or m_s to the power of -1 you can write. Because it is speed of the light. Now mute all of you. Somebody is disturbing. Okay. Speed of the light in glass. This is not a refractive index. So unit is important. So speed of the light in glass is equal to this value. 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Is this problem easy? Is this problem easy, children? Two more problem will complete. 2 more problem. Problem number 5. 2 more problem. Problem number 5, write down. If the refractive index of water for light going from air to water, is 1.33. The refractive index of water for light going from air to water. Okay, what do you mean by that? Refractive index of water means water will come here, this side, right side. Water will come in right side, left side, air will come. Refractive index of water will come here, air will come here. Correct? Like this you should
Yes,
write.
ma'am.
Then only you will not make mistake. If you write like this, you will not make mistake. What will be the refractive index for light going from? Question is, what will be refractive index for light going from water to air?
We have to find the speed of light in water.
Ma'am, it's actually medium 2 by medium 1. ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Medium
good.
2 by
Now
medium
you
1.
listen carefully. Actually, it is a reciprocal, children, because speed will be reciprocal. So the refractive index of water with respect to A will be reciprocal of refractive index of air with respect to water. This is another formula. Not formula. If you do it also, you will get the same answer. Speed of the air and all, it will come same. So they are given one value. So other value we can find out. How? Reciprocal of that. So refractive index of water with respect to air is equal to reciprocal of refractive index of air with water. So now you substitute. Now, same
1 by
way,
1.33.
same way, refractive index of air with water is a reciprocal of refractive index of water with air. Okay, so 1 divided by 1.33. Now what is answer? Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. 100 divided by 133. 100
133.
how much? Do you have a scribbling pad? Or you want me to do in the rough column here? Should draw rough column and do even in physics. Very good.
0.75.
Very
Zero.
good. Who said that answer?
Mithun, ma'am.
Mithun. Very good, Mithun. Mithun, quick in calculation always. Good. Next, last problem. Okay, problem number 5 or 6? 6. 6 or 5? Don't know. Okay. 6 only. Okay, 6 only. Now these 6 problems should be there in your textbook. Okay. Now this is also NCERT book question only. You can see in NCERT book this question. The refractive index of kerosene. Turpentine. You know what is turpentine? Where will they use turpentine?
Yes, ma'am.
Painting. See,
Yes,
boys
ma'am.
are very good in this science application. Usually boys will get more mark in science, more than mathematics they get in science, because practically they are very good. Actually, every year 10th standard result come, no, people will tell girls only excelling. This government don't understand. Boys' skills are different. They are practically very good. Their syllabus is, they should change the syllabus. Correct? No?
Yes, ma'am.
If that syllabus is changed, I always will feel that because of the syllabus, that curriculum, girls are excelling. You change the syllabus and see boys will excel. Something which is practical, like for example, see, turpentine and all, you know, they don't know. So refractive index of kerosene is 1.44. Refractive index of turpentine is 1.47. Refractive index of water is 1.33.
1.33.
Now, this is the question, respectively. In which of these material does light travels faster? In which light travels faster?
Water.
It has lowest
Why?
refractive index. It has lowest index.
Wait.
Density,
Now
optical
I
density.
want one clear answer. I don't want mass answer. Already class itself mass answer is difficult. Online it is too difficult. Okay, don't want it. Now who's answering? Who's answering? Agya?
Water, ma'am.
Water.
Water.
Water is a correct.
Because it has
Why?
lowest.
You simply write water, half mark only will come. Why?
It has lowest refractive index.
Because
Okay.
Water has the lowest refractive
Yes,
index.
Tarun. Abhishek.
Ma'am, water has the lowest refractive index. Thus, it travels faster. Light travels faster in water.
What sentence will the unknown evaluator will expect? What sentence unknown evaluator will expect? What
Refractive index.
Water is less
Ma'am,
than
because
less dense than anything.
Ma'am,
correct?
I'll tell
You
ma'am.
are saying partially correct. They have to give you full marks.
Ma'am,
But
it has
certain
the
terms are important in physics.
Water is less dense than kerosene and turpentine.
Water has the lowest optical density, ma'am.
Now you are mute now. Let me tell you. They'll give you marks, but full marks they may not give you. Half a mark they'll cut because the speed of the light will be you first say refractive index is inversely proportional to the speed of the light. Did anybody say that? It is inversely
I told, ma'am.
Who
I
told that?
told, ma'am.
I couldn't hear.
Anya.
Very good, very good. So refractive index is inversely proportional to the speed of the light. If speed of the light increases, refractive index decreases. Now here it is given minimum refractive index. That means the maximum speed of the light. You should write down. Minimum refractive index means maximum speed of the light. You should write down that. Okay, then only you will get. But you are telling correctly. If it is a 2 mark question, 1.5 marks everyone will give you. But some teachers will give 2 marks also. But if teachers like Gina ma'am or some physics maths teachers, they wanted this. Okay. So what you will do, you need to write everything. Okay. That's all. So now your homework starts. I'm not going to give you board work, class work and all, not dictating. You should only write the first homework. Define laws of reflection. What Abhishek said you should write. Okay. What is laws of reflection of light? Then you write law of refraction of light. Okay. What I taught. If you have doubt in that, you can see my recording session or you go to NCERT textbook, clearly it's given. Okay. Then third one, define refractive index. Both the definition you should write. What is refractive index? Sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R also what? Velocity of the first medium divided by
Velocity of
speed
first
of the light in first
by velocity of
speed of the light second medium. Correct. Both you write and also you write there is no unit for refractive index because unit get cancelled. It is a ratio. Why there is no unit? Because it is a ratio. Ratio will not have any unit. Okay. Now then I taught on 6 problems. That 6 problems you should write. Okay, if you are concentrating in the class with a scribbling pad, you have a question, or you don't have, you go through the session and you learn. Okay, 6 problems is the homework. So these many homeworks are there in physics. Before Monday, please complete. Sunday physics test. If you want Sunday, you want physics test, I'll give you Sunday.
Ma'am, keep it tomorrow itself, ma'am.
Or they want to study, ma, Bhagya.
Okay, ma'am. Saturday, ma'am, please.
Ma'am, you give only for Bhagya and tomorrow. ma'am.
Decide and tell me. No problem. Thank you.
Saturday, ma'am.
Saturday, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have
I can't do.
Sunday, ma'am.
Sunday, ma'am.
Parents, ma'am.
You decide.